Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer from PancakeSwap to Binance. All right, so first up, under your PancakeSwap account, for example, you have a Pancake right here, or K, okay? You'd like to swap it to a token or a liquid asset supported by Binance. It could be BNB, USDT, or even Solana, okay? So maybe let's just go ahead and try Solana right here, Solana, okay? And then after that, just connect your wallet. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and use my Binance right here, just for example. And then after that, you can go ahead and go to your extensions manager. And by the way, if you don't have the Binance wallet, just go ahead and install it. Just click on manage extensions right here, visit web store and install Binance wallet. Okay, so click on Binance wallet, or it could be MetaMask. You can go ahead and use MetaMask to connect it to your PancakeSwap account as well. So for example, you now have your Solana right here, or Solana balance. Now in here, just basically select your Solana and just tap on send. Now it needs a receiving address, or you could just go ahead and straight up use your Binance deposit address right here for Solana. Okay. If you have connected your Binance wallet or Binance account. If you are using a MetaMask, well, you'll have to manually get the deposit address from your Binance wallet. So just like this one. Okay. If you don't know how to do it, well, I'm going to show you right here. Under your assets, what you're going to do is just tap on deposit crypto, select the coin, Solana, network, Sol, and just copy it right here. Now, go ahead and tap on your Binance wallet, Sol, send, paste. Okay, hit on next. Enter the amount of Sol or crypto that you would like to send. If you want, hit on next, follow simple prompts. And once done, you will receive the crypto to your Binance wallet. That's basically it. That is how you transfer from PancakeSwap to Binance. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.